Nessa Sunshine here, and today we are getting into the new Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. Now, I'm not into signs or Mercury Retrograde. I don't think it's profitable for the soul. If you do want to get this look right here using the new Huda Beauty palette, well, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and let's get into the tutorial. For brushes today, I'm going to mainly be taking the Causemetics Fairy Lights brushes. This collection is so good. So the first brush and the main brush I'm going to be taking from the Fairy Lights collection is number 7. It is such a soft blending brush. It's out of this world. It's just phenomenal. I've been using it every day since I opened up this brush set, and every eyeshadow I use, no matter if it's high-end or a more affordable makeup, this brush is just like, whoop. It's perfect for blending, and yeah, I really like it. So let's get into our first shadow. Okay, I'm gonna dip my brush into Utopia. This is a great transition shade. And I'm just blending the tip of the brush straight onto my brow bone. I'm blending it in swiper motions back and forth, and I'll do that same thing to the other side. Just blending it. Blending away. Taking more of Utopia in the inner corner part of my brow bone, above the crease area, and out as well. Nice, not bad. I'm gonna go ahead and add a Utopia to the other side, and maybe my eyes will become a Utopia of eyeshadow. Now what I'm going to do is get into the Shadow Haze, and I'm using the same number 7 Causemetics blending brush from the Fairy Lights collection. Let's take this all over the lid with the blending brush. I'm starting in the center actually of my lid. Actually. And then what I'll do is move into the inner corner, and this is mainly on the mobile eyelid. Okay, so I'm taking more of Haze just with the very tip of the blending brush, and I'm blending it higher, and then what I'm doing is taking it over to the outer corner and I'm flicking it up a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop that on the other side, and yeah, go ahead if you're following along, do the same thing on the other side. Now I'm going to take some of Vortex. So the brush I'm going to be using is the number 8 from the Fairy Lights collection. And this will deepen up the outer corner, which is what I am doing. And I'm taking swiping motions to add this onto the eye. So I'm going to take Vortex on the tip of my number 7 brush. And I'm just going to blend a little bit in the crease, not too much, and then on the edge here. Slightly gently blending it up, taking the edge and the tip, blending. And then we have some dimension. If you are following along and you want to enhance anything, if you've added Vortex, you can add more of Utopia at the very tip top of your eye, brow bone area. And you can even add more of Haze to brighten up the color after blending the deeper color in there as well. So I'm going to add some lashes. These lashes are from Jogia. They are a brand that is fairly new, but these lashes are seductress. Oh my. Oh, I'm gonna pop those on, and then I will also be doing the same thing to the other side. Now it's time for a makeup miracle moment. And bippity boppity boo, we have a makeup miracle moment. So this is a number 6 brush from the Fairy Lights collection, and I'll be going into the shade Vortex. This is the number 5 brush from the BH Take Me Back to Brazil brush collection. So I'm focusing it on mostly the outer corner of the eye. I will be going into Supermoon. I'm gonna be using the number 11 brush. It's a very pointy brush, which is very perfect to be precise and wonderful, just like we're gonna get right now. And this will help us get really precisely in here. So what I'll do is add Supermoon just to this inner corner right here, add some Thrive liquid lash extensions mascara. The lip I'll be wearing today is the Time Los Angeles liquid lipstick in the color Blush Baby. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial using the new Huda Beauty palette with this look. I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm like super excited because I'm almost done with this video. So yeah, this palette is so pretty. I want to do so many looks with it. The colors are so stunning. I just it's so pretty. But yeah, I'm not into signs and stuff like that. I just don't think it's good. So that's that. If you do, we can agree to disagree. So I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did like it, make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel below if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Bye now.